Hello all, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with the new subject, that is Mmpc 008, Information Systems for Managers. So in this subject, there is four blocks. The first block is Information Technology for Managers. Block 2, Information Systems. Block 3 is System Analysis and Computer Languages. Block 4, Support System for Management Decisions. So all of you know what is the importance of the subject in this MBA course. So we will today we will start this subject, and in last video we covered all mmpc 007 units. So in case any doubt, you can contact us anytime. And today we will begin with the block 1, that is unit 1. Under block 1, uh, information technology and overview. In this first block, there is already 4 units are there. Unit 2 is computer system and smart devices. Unit 3 is computer software, and unit 4 is networking technologies. And so let's begin with the unit 1, that is information technology and overview. So structure of this unit are, introduction is there, objectives, definition of IT, type of IT systems, IT and its business perspective, internet and its business applications, computer aided decision making, summary, unit and exercises, reference and suggested further readings are there. Okay, so let's begin with the introduction part. Information technology, IT, has become a strategy's necessity. Unless we believe in IT and act on it, there is every chance of becoming a footnote in the annals of history. IT has become a vital component of successful businesses and organizations. Managers are expected to identify opportunities to implement information system to improve the business processes. Managers are also required to lead IS projects in IT. Information technology has become a major facilitator of business activities. It is also a catalyst of fundamental changes in the structure, operation, and management of organization. IT can be used to perform high speed, high volume numeric computations, provide fast, accurate, and inexpensive communication within and between organizations, store huge amount of data in an easy to access yet small space, and allow quick and easy access, and automate business processes and manually done tasks. Analyze big volume of data available through internet for decision making. IT has been used for improving productivity, reducing cost, enhancing decision-making process, enhancing customer relationship, and developing new strategic applications. The business paradigm has completely shifted from being seller market to buyer's market. Customers have become the focal point of any business. The business environment is no more as stable as it used to be and has become much more competitive. It become mandatory on the part of the organization to make full use of IT to survive. IT has become one of the standard component of an organization. The individuals are supported by IT to fulfill their roles. The management and the business process have become IT oriented. Organization structure and strategy are also supported by IT. Whenever an external or internal pressure is felt by an organization, IT helps the organization to plan critical response activities. Okay, and organization can use an IT supported strategic system to increase their market share. IT can help an organization negotiate but better with their suppliers. Maintaining and improving quality of products and process in an organization needs regular support, vigilance, and innovation. And IT has been used extensive for productivity improvement, reducing in inventory and maintaining quality. Management information system and decision support system have been used to help management in decision making process. And business process re-engineering, that is BPR, has become the need to the day for every business. BPR involves changing business processes in an innovative way, and IT plays a major role in BPR. Internet and intranet help an organization in changing its business process to reduce cycle time and time to market a product. IT makes information available to employees with a different level of success. As a result, employees can be given more independence to make decisions. The ERP, a strategic tool, heavily use IT to integrate business process of an organization. So objectives of this unit are: after reading this unit, you should be able to define information technology and state the advancement of IT, identify the different type of information system, contextualize a business perspective of IT, describe the significance of internet and its business applications, describe and understand the wide coverage of electronic commerce, and explain the role of computer aided decision system in business and other sectors and services. And definition of IT: what is the definition of IT? Let us understand what is information is. And information is for finished product for which data is the raw material. The dictionary defines information as processed data which is used to trigger certain actions or gain understanding of what the data implies. Information has also been defined as data that have been put into a meaningful and useful context and communicate to a recipient who uses it to make decisions. Information involves the communication and reception of intelligence or knowledge. It apprises and notifies, surprises and stimulates, reduce uncertainty, reveals additional alternatives, or helps eliminate irrelevant or poor ones, and influences individuals and stimulates them to action. The information must be received by the recipient within the required time frame, and the information must be free from errors. The technology plays an important role in delivering timely and error free information to its recipients. Technology includes hardware, software, database, and communication system. And hardware is a set of devices such as processor, monitor, keyboard, and printer that accept data, process them, and display them. And software is a set of programs that enable the hardware to process data. Database is also an integral part of IT system, which is a collection of related files, tables, relation, etc. that store data and association among them. Network connects computing resources of an organization and facilitate sharing of hardware and software. The organization processes and people are integral part of an IT system. Information technology means the collection, storage, processing, dissemination, and use of information. It is not confined to hardware and software but acknowledges the importance of person and the goals he or she set for his or her technology, the values employed in making these choices, the assessment criteria used to decide whether he or she is controlling the technology and is being enriched by it. And initially, the information technology serving society. USA gave the above definition way back in 1979. It has been further generalized with wide coverage. The above definition clearly states that IT is an important tool which must be used properly. At one time, 60% people used to work in agriculture. Nowadays, in a developed country such as US, more than 91% households have computers and internet connection. In India, this figure is about 54%. Thus only 540 people out of every 1000 have access to computers. However, India is making steady progress because of IT use in almost every field. Okay, as far as a history of computing is concerned, people tried to invent a computing machine as early as 800 BC. And abacus is one of the oldest computing devices that are still in use, and every child in China learned to use abacus in school. Our ancestors had built various other mechanical machines using gears. All these efforts laid foundation for better computing machines. The diode tube transistor integrated circuit, that is IC, and now very large integrated circuits are the electromechanical device that have been invented over a period of time. And the spreadsheet, the word processing packages, database packages, simultation and automation software packages, and decision support system made IT popular among managers as well. The term information system, IS, and information technology are used synonymously. IS has evolved considerably since 1960, and activity A is there. So try to do it. It is based on this subsection. And next is type of information system. So there are various types. There is transaction processing system, that is TPS. A TPS is used primarily for record keeping, which is required in any organization to conduct the business. Example of TPS are sales order entry, payroll, and shipping records, etc. Decision support system, that is DSS. DSS serves the management of an organization. A decision support system has sophisticated data analysis tools which support and assist all aspects of problem specific decision making. DSS may use data from external sources such as current stock prices to enhance decision making. DSS is used when the problem is complex and the information needed to make the best decision is difficult to obtain and use. An executive information system, EIS. An executive information system is also called executive support system. Senior managers of an organization use the EIS, therefore it must be easy to use so that executive can use it without any assistance. EIS can do trend analysis, exception reporting, and have drill down capabilities. Management information system, that is MIS provides a management routine summary of basic operations of the organization. The basic operations are recorded by the TPS of the organization, and MIS consolidates the data on sales, production, etc. MIS provide routine information to managers and decision makers. The main objective behind installing an MIS is the organization is to increase operational efficiency. And workflow system, a workflow system is a rule based management system that directs, coordinates, and monitors execution of an interrelated set of tasks arranged to form a business process. A workflow system is also known as a document image management system. And for example, a workflow system is used by banks for loan sanction process. An applicant fills out an electronic application form for a bank loan at a bank's website. The application is then uploaded to the bank loan officer's site. And there are three type of workflow software. Administrative workflow system focus on the tracking of expense report, travel request, messages. And ad hoc, our workflow system deals with the shaping of product, sales proposals, and strategic plans. Production workflow system are concerned with the mortgage, loans, and insurance claim. And the enterprise resource planning, that is ERP system is a set of integrated programs capable of managing a company's vital business operation for an entire multi-site and global organization. This facilitates organizations to share and integrate data for consistent flow of information over the organization's network, and also using the internet as an organization may decide. An expert system, the system has the ability to make suggestions and act like an expert in a particular field. An expert system has an extensive knowledge base. Nowadays, such a system are in use for automating business processes to great extent. It is envisaged that expert system will be in high demand further in future. And this is about today's section, and the next subsection, that is business perspective of IT, that we will discuss on next video. And you just revise this portions. In case any doubts, you just contact us, because it's common subject IT. All of you know what is IT, and important of nowadays. Communication is very important, and time also very important. So these two are very easily handling by IT sections nowadays. Okay, so all of you very aware about IT and internet sections. And just some words are maybe difficult, so you just go through your Ignou study material also, Mmpc 008. And for more MBA videos, you just do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents Ignou Mba complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.